some other area when we used to, and we still do. If you look at the road code and you see the blueprint, you will see us. Lexus, Jimmy, Byron, Lodi, Father Dos. Days like Oswald Park, you name it, CD Swimming Park, and all of those places. Those were our playground. But tonight it's a different thing. We get old now, so you leave it to the young generation. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome one of our youngest sensation in the music industry, Sean Vernel.
Yeah, run the music. Yeah. Big up sequence. If you know the words, feel free to sing along. I've got to get myself together. Yes. Can't afford to let my face go. You know, whenever just come and shine, and my sisters are all smiling. My people are crying, and my people are dying. We are living in the house of the Father. We are living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. We are living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. The days of destruction will never be. You know that heart for a wise man will see. Get the good things, he knows it all. He can stumble, he stumbles and falls. He goes down for a reason that is giving him a beating to the foundation. You have to go down to the foundation. Shut them down to the foundation. You have to go down to the foundation. Whoa. Next one. Again, big ups the sequence song. If you know this next song, feel free to sing along. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was love at first sight. I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me from the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Sequence. I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she told me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, if you know the words, feel free to sing along. Sing with me. Ooh, yeah, yes, ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me from the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Sequence. I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she told me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. I said, ooh, yeah. Smile for me, Jamaica. Whenever you cry, your eyes, girl, smile. Ooh, yeah. She have a rich history, a beautiful woman with the sweetest gift. Beautiful sunshine and an evening kiss. Find a nice sunset on the evening sea. But she tell me, say she tired. She give them reggae, give them peaches, give them flowers in the fern. She is abused in return. I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Promise is here to your help, mama. Ooh, say don't you worry yourself, mommy. Oh, one thing me I go and I said, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. I said, smile. Girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Whenever you cry, it reminds me. Girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica.
Thank you. Yes, indeed. Give it up for Mr. Sean Vernon. You know, it's a beautiful thing to see the youngsters doing real songs that can last for a lifetime. Not about in your throat, in your head back, and gone over your eyelash, come out through your nose. Give the youngster a round of applause. Come on. Well, the show must goes on. I want to take this time out to pick up one of our original foundation friend from birth, Honorable, inside of the place. Pick up yourself, my brother. Well, you know, woman is honorable civilization. Without women, we would not be here. You know? So, with all due respect, I felt very privileged and honored to bring on stage, and I want everyone to help me bring on stage the Empress. The Empress. Come on, put your hands together for Empress Uneek. Put your hand together. Come on. I know there's no food around, but we can do better than that. Put your hands together for Empress Uneek. Give it up for my girl. Are we ready? It's showtime. She selects us. She don't like a welcome there. She wants a bigger welcome. Put your hands together for Empress Uneek.
I love you guys, thank you. What we say, Mr. Musician? How are you guys feeling out here tonight? Let's give the promoters a round of applause for bringing out such a great lineup. We was in Orlando last night, it was cold. But there's no place like home. Fort Lauderdale is where the fire is, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna give it up for the birthday men. Waine Fire, Sequence Byron. We're gonna shout y'all out tonight, alright? What we got? Don't give up, yeah. Write out your song. Yes, we've been through a storm, and it seems like forever. It's nights of confusion has been too long. Your ship has lost anchor, and your storm has you drifting. So just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm. Sing with me, y'all. Ride out your storm. God is still with you. You may not feel it, but you're not alone. You're hurting now. We set up in there and we go on bullshit and we leave we out and we go on like say we are doing. We ain't doing it. We ain't doing it. So you can go on as proud and buy all the bottles and whatever you want for you because when you go in there you carry out by your yard and you are doing same way. You understand? I'm standing here right now with 2 herniated discs in my back. You see what I'm saying? And I know, I thought I was paralyzed at the time. So me no say, I never mean to it. It wasn't a hospital do it, and the Almighty do it for I and I, see? So never bless him every time. Drop. I'm gonna drop it nice and easy for you tonight, see? Sing with me. When you turn and you walk through that door, say it hurts me so. Yes, it hurts me so. Oh, baby. When you looked at me and you said goodbye, you know it made me cry. I'm crying. I said it made me cry. So listen to me while I say to you, waking up is hard to do. Everybody knows it's hard, so hard, so hard, so hard, so hard. Ooh. to you. Tell them I'm your best girl and best I'll always be. Tell them I'm everything that's good, so good to you. I wanna be always close to you, to give a helping hand in everything you do. I wanna be always so close. Go on and tell them. Tell them about your best girl. So you told your friends about me. Tell them about the things that I did to you. Tell them I'm your best girl and best I'll always be. Tell them I'm everything that's good, so good to you. I wanna be always close to you, to give a helping hand in everything you do. I wanna be always so close to you. To you. Oh, you didn't have to try me out for size. We fit each other's arms, comfortable and warm. Without you, what would my life be? You tell them I'm your best girl and best I'll always be. I wanna be always close to you, to give a helping hand whenever you're in need. I wanna be always so close to you. To you, baby. Drop that. I have to salute the birthday guys. Where's Byron and where? DJ, hold it, man. Where's the birthday man? I have a tribute for the birthday man.
Yeah, them counting their money.
Them count the money, I saw them thing I go on. And them for count the money, I play my strong the same way.
To the handsome one. To the handsome.
Ah! The handsome one show up first. The deep dimples. Listen, we gotta love our men, ladies. We gotta love our men, cause they support us in everything we do. And Empress Unique have the anthem for all the men. A man like you, written by the one and only Mr. Holmes and Lindo. Pick up yourself wherever you are. So I'm gonna dedicate this to you and sequence Byron tonight. See what I'm saying? We're so happy, it's you that's by our side. You make us feel oh so good inside. You don't have to compromise and swallow your pride. Cause when I'm with you, I just relax and enjoy the ride. A man like you, you're strong in every way. You make our day. A man like you, what more can I say? You're the answer to our prayer. A man like you, way far, way far. I said a man like you, oh baby. With your arms around me, there's no place I'd rather be. Whispering sweet words in my ear. Oh yeah, you mean so much to me. Take away the insecurity and drive away my fear. A man like you, you're strong in every way. You make my day. A man like you, what more can I say? You're the answer to our prayer. A man like you, ooh, rain fire. I said a man like you, oh baby. Happy birthday, much love.
Watch yourself for Empress Unique. You're not going nowhere. I know you don't feel too well, but music is a healing for. Give it up for unique. You know, she just say a man like him. I say a lady like you don't have to cook for me. Just keep singing, baby. Give it up! Give it up! Alright. Fine, don't move yet. You see, me have a good bridge, you just walking at the place. Honorable, pick up yourself. And you come in with a soldier. And this soldier asks me, say, Mr. Lexus, you put on the rhythm. So me say, me never sitting at the bar, ask the bartender. But anyway, big up yourself, Capone. We'll find the put on the rhythm for you, my brother. We'll make you touch it and go through. That's what we said. Touch it!
Good evening. Happy birthday to the people, yeah? Not glorious, but they are level. Good evening. I don't look good enough. Mr. Washab, Anthony Malvo. My brother, you know. My brother. You watch me grow up, my big brother. I'm going to start it something like this. You know, so I come in with my woman, you know. And you know how me catch her? But just walk like a cup and tell her, say, look at the girl over there, ever looking expensive and dear. Me and her together like a perfect pair. No matter if you just fear as your dear. In a Victoria's Secret, she's the underwear. Chanel like Moses, step out her real life. Make a pose her near. It's rare, the one Capone, you kicking extra gear. Woman extravagant, woman not clear. Are you kidding? Come over here a minute. And something like that, you know. Well, I'm gonna start to be there real quick. I'll show you how I'm versatile. Yeah, I'll show you how I'm versatile. Mandible versus Captain America, 30 gun salute, my condolence to Erica. Omega Supreme got 50 magazines. Like Chow Young Fat, fuck up the whole scene. I'm a killer gorilla, spit shells in you. Run, flex, bounce, my nigga, or get dinner when you walk. Some of my, go on, give me again. One word time then. One word time. I just had a little piece me saying up. Don't conversate with you, that me pursue. When they walk through the door and say you're brand new. Creep up beside you and say, how do you do? You grow that smile like it drive me while I make a brother like me. Want sit all the time. So they get that the liquor for the telephone line. Up in the mouth sweeter than any kind of pine. But that not gonna be loaded, girl waistline. No, we done.
What you say? Give it up. Give it up. Yeah, how you mean? You see, every man have a choice in their life. The man say for him, what in face no go love, in girl waist. What big man, let me tell you sometimes you have to face it. Anyway, good morning. Rasta Diary. Last night if you hear Orlando, this gentleman, I'm gonna call him no brother, elder, state elder man this. Tear up the place. And Mickey Mouse mirror say, everything. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for one of our own international recording artist, Mr. Diary General.
Greetings, love and respect and honor. While the cold no keep it down, we rise and says P. Malvo, big up yourself, Johnny P, you don't know. Yes, that Diary is the name and love is the game, see? Yes, I. I'm a selector, you're gone left me because we're not getting nowhere near the show. Selector, I don't hear them. Are they are you ready to party? Yeah. Alright, then let's have a party tonight. Oh, hey. Alright, hi, you. We Now we gotta live some life. We gotta live some life before we're cold. Yes, yes. 'Cause time is short, so hear me, man. Yeah. Let's live the life the best we can. Don't try to work your soul away. Remember there's another day. So we gotta live some life before we're old. And we got to live some life before we're old. Yes, yes. Alright. Another original funny was something like move up, move up. Move up, move up, move up. I'm coming through. Yeah. There's nothing they can do. Can stop me from coming through. Yeah. And I don't care. I really don't care. But what they wanna do. No guns, no one can stop me, you are. 'Cause I've got the power from the Most High, Jah Rastafari. Yes, so just move up, move up, move up. That should have a selector. Yeah, you don't know. When it's like a run some vibration, they don't know everything is original. Apart from a little piece of that one. See? So bear with me and check it out. Just children, leave it up. Oh, it's all time. And Babylon time is up. Yes, it's all time. Just children, leave it up. So many years into slavery. Oh yeah, holding the world in captivity. With their hate and their love for vanity, there's no future in these small means. The revolution ain't over, no, no, no. Yes, the struggle goes on and on and on. People feeling the pain every day. Vampire, 39, their time is expired. But it's our time. Babylon time is up. Yes, it's our time. Just children leave it up. Oh, it's our time. Babylon time. Flash that coming selector. Waine, fire, big up yourself. You don't know. You see? A long time we are journeying on the journey with this music. And we never gonna stop. It's like buying the lotto, we know we're not going to get rich, but we still have to put the money on it just in case. And you don't know the music can keep going because it's positivity. See? And that is something that we have to cultivate and nurture in our community. See? Right. To all my hard-working people, them. To all the 9 to 5ers, 7 to 3, you don't know. So, we're not gonna run no race. We're not gonna run no race. We're not gonna run no race. No rat race. They never want us to be in this race. The race of life. So every day struggle just to survive. know, you have to wait the gospel, you know. So to work with me. Alright, come here with it. It can't go on forever. Gotta find a change to make things rearrange. Can't go on forever, forever. The feeling blood, and it's a disaster. The feeling blood, it can't go on forever, forever. The feeling blood, and it's a disaster. It was just another day. Just a shining in the sky. Oh, well, everyone was just standing out in the street. Oh, they're looking at each other just to see. I hear two shots. Someone must get that. A poor little you must be right on the spot. Oh God, swimming in blood. Can't go on forever. The swimming in blood. It's a disaster. The swimming in blood. Can't go on forever, forever. Swimming in blood. It's a disaster. Seems like we're on this lonely tree. We're destroying each other, we see. It's so plain to see. There's lack of love for you and for me. Look around the world, you will see. Our life is being taken for granted. For now. It's swimming in blood. That one forever. It's swimming in blood. It's a disaster. Swimming in blood. That one forever. Forever. Swimming in blood. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, we don't know what going on with the saxophone, but we're in and we're out and we're out and we're in. Yo, want to appreciate me tonight, you know. I must about 5 years when I push my shirt and my pants, you know. I've been doing so tonight. And me, I'm telling you, as something, the thing serious tonight, you know. And the thing can joke. Alright, Mr. Lecter, give it up again. Oh yeah, go on and praise the ladies out here tonight. Oh yeah, sit. And you lady, you're driving me crazy. I hope you are feeling the way I'm feeling too. And you lady, you're driving me crazy. And I hope you are feeling the way I'm feeling too. And do you make my blood run cold? And you, baby girl, you move my bones. Then you make my blood just breathe from my toes. Well, as if I really that shot up with. Well, here I don't know if the time is on. So we have to work with the time properly. But one thing I want to bless you before we leave it. I am a man believe in love. Don't play nothing. I believe in love, see? And I find we lack of love within our community and our society as black people. See? Alright. So I'm going to bless you with this one piece here. Acapella before I go. Let your love shine, and let it shine every day. Let your love shine, so they can see His ways. Love is lovely, love can never be ugly. Just keep your love in your hearts and share it with everyone you see. Cause there's no need. But I go up too high, I'm not gonna believe it.
Yeah.
We're not gonna climb the high note tonight, but I don't know what the message I say is love. See?
Give it up for the
When we say love, well, before we leave, I want to hear the people that get the argument. Love? Alright, respect.
Yes, Rasta Diary. Big it up.
Anyway.
Well, you know, the show must go on because we have some stalwart in the house. We have Anthony Malvo. You know, we're ready for Anthony Malvo? Yeah! All right. We're ready for Johnny P? Yeah! But before we bring on Anthony Malvo and before we bring on Johnny P, we have one of the Banton in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for one of our own South Florida recording artists, Banton!
Up so round so down so. Play by the people, every time I bring plum select and hold, see? When I mingle with the crowd, see? When I let us go to stay far, I like mingle with the crowd. Now big up who forget big up, see? I'm going to tell you, say, them work we had, request to all immigrants and foreign, see? Shop it. All immigrants and foreign. Play by the people, every time I bring up so round so down so big up the place and see? Big up the whole crew, one more records. My thing, say Johnny and some man go. You hear me road boy? They tell them what look how they work on so hard. And they want to take back all we green card. Finally, yeah man, them tune already in Jamaica. GT, pick up GT Taylor. Chop them like samurai sword. They never want to drop a road. You hear me road boy? They tell them what look how they work on so hard, yo. They tell them what look how they work on so hard. I want to take back all we green card. When they give me trust, the whole of them a drop card, yo. Me say them take away for cool and them take away for broad. And we a drop the bends on them under a card. Lightning and thunder, we bad all hard. Them must have been a chill us no cool nor blood. Mexican come here so want them work hard. The Filipino come here so want them work hard. The Asian come here so want them work hard. Look how we work hard and we don't get no reward. Them can buy me CD but them buy me red. Hold it! Talking about different shop here. Shop out there like samurai sword. Yeah. Up so down so down so. Them call me one go. When me say them call me one go. When one bang 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 bang, them call me one go. When me say them call me one go. When one bang 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 bang, me say must just suck up and show up in a Chicago. Set me call it Roach and not Tony Malvo. And when me don't run, me no get no deal there. Me get place and go me pistol here. Them say me say that till us not deal with him so. Cause if you do that thing that you know it a go. I mean know why you go to prison till you tomorrow. In here one go. When me say the one in here one go. That's right. Sure. Awesome man. Yeah man. Give me chop one man. Give me chop one. I hear some boys say them a run drum, then a run drum. And they run drum, must say young drum. Chop one. Chop one. Chop one. Sure, that makes something thing, but anything you do, drop it to you, give me chop 4. Give me chop 4. No less, no more. Yeah, yeah, man. When them say them a run drum, then I run no drum. When they say I must say young drum, bring a promoter. Yeah, yeah, man. them listen. Brand new tune. Them say them a run down wrong, them a run down wrong, they don't like from people. When I reach back up for here with them, none of them know. What me say? Pick up the sexy lady them. Them say them a run it wrong. Them say them a run it wrong and them a hide from people. When them boy they fly down, I run it wrong. Them say them a run it wrong and them a hide from people. When them boy they fly down, them not stop with the wool and they not stop with the young. Nobody knows them when them boy they fly down. When they reach back up for here, you say them they fly down. Five window wind up and all of them now wind down. The whole of this so now not the lost fly down, yo. Spanish town now when me fly down and send me a pen now when me fly down. So the brother people that me now I found none. Advance score now when me fly down and Bradley now when me fly down. Say them a poor us now when me fly down and Williamsville now when me fly down. And when me left Williamsville me go up a banana brown and Moses and of mama I win some man. We go to Thailand she a big get some me no. Charge the money so they think how we go run. We not use my money buy bullets and gun. We give poor people bandana kill man I run it wrong. Them say them a run it wrong and them a hide from people. When they boy they fly down I run it wrong. Them say them a run it wrong and them a hide from people. When they boy they fly. So me go touch up parties and me go touch up brave bang. I say jump up when the band can touch down. So me big it for big dance. Up a stadium. Stand give me a million and say me no big going on. Before we reach a green field and we lay and done. We have to start the way out when we break down. Run it wrong. Them say them a run it wrong and them a hide from people. When they boy they fly down. Run it wrong. So them a run it wrong and them a hide from people. When they boy they fly down. Yo, say yard man, we have the most fun. Let's pick up from ceiling to ground. Banton and my friend money can down. When the ship can't carry, plane fly down. Big up our race. See how we can run. Passion will be a pick up and some fun. Get a cross of grey goose and a quarter white from Westmoreland. Here I come up. Reach up with me and my friend them sit down. I reason about the past and time to come. I watch the rising and the downing of the sun. I wonder if the girl them down they can give me one. But it's a not chance we don't give her none. Run it wrong. Them say them are run it wrong and never hide from me. Hold it. Next shot. Next shot. I hear some boys say them are Alice and then I know Viagra nor Cialis. None of the Alice. Well, I'm girl in a malice. Why do them try to pay? Big up. Shopping. You hear me? That one and your wife. When they say all the ladies, pull up. All the ladies them are married, let me see them in a year. You say poop, but I say feel in a year. When they see them, all the ladies are married, let me see them in a year. Shopping man. When they say that one in name, wife over mate. When they say name, wife over mate. What in name? Wife over mate. Yeah, hear me? In name, wife over mate, or mate over wife. Over wife. Over wife. We say wife over mate, or wife over wife. Over wife. Over wife. Say anything matey by me, she have to give me wife. Have to give me wife. Have to give me wife. Anything matey give me. Have to give me. Anything matey give me, she have to give me wife. They give me wife. They give me wife. She buy the Benz for the Banton, she buy one for my wife. Buy for the Banton, she buy one for my wife. Fly out for the Banton, fly out for my wife. Hold it! I want them. I want them. What me say, kill it? Big up. Big up. You know why they never want me to chop a road? They never want me to chop a road. You know why? Yeah, you mean? Chop a road. That one that name chop a road. The boy them never want me to chop a road. Chop a road. They never want me to chop a road. Through the Banton shop and the customer rice zone. Chop a road. They never want me to chop a road. Now, chop a road. They never want me to chop a road. I think Benz we drive, we don't drive no food. They don't say Banton, don't Banton, chop a road. They ain't chop a road. They never want me to chop a road. Just pick up me shop like a samurai sword. Chop a road. They Banton, chop a road. Just look at me, look at me, look at me. You see me? Time teller, real time teller, time teller, real time teller. Big glass for me food, no real filler. Time teller, real time teller. Skyscraper man in a sleep on the cellar. Time teller, real time teller. Time teller, real time teller. And I'm a friend now for a much price. That's why the gun can wear down the time. When they say me not on your people waste time, no waste time, no waste time. I'm sick of the Banton and grind. want me to work with no go to do, mama. Go to do, go to do. When me say she not look out the door, I saw me get me no say me a rubber stage show. When me say that one your name out the door, who no want a name? Out the door, who no want a name? Out the door, no want a name. If I rain out fall me no know. If I gunshot a bust me no. If them a fight me no. Love nor money, no more.
What you said for my brother, your brother, Mr. Banton. Give it up. Yeah. But the one thing I can say, everybody has stay in because Karen Roach in Anthony Malvo in Johnny B in
Sharp boss.
Are you ready for Anthony Malvo? So like we're not ready, man. I say, are you ready for Anthony Malvo? With no further ado and no further apology, we present to you Mr. Anthony Malvo. Give him a warm welcome, please.
Good night. People, are you ready? Oh, yeah. What about that girl? You see that? That's the birthday girl. I give you the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars, and the mountain. I give you the world. What do you mean? People, are you ready? Oh, yeah. Give you the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars, and the mountain. I give you the world. The goal that you reach for, and even more. Girl, I love you more than you should know. And that's what's all. I try to hide you to swim the water sea. Nothing can discourage me. And I pray that you will be all I ever need forevermore. Whoa, when it's all time. Ooh, yeah. I'll give you everything and more. Yeah. All that I've got, please, Lord. I'll give you everything and more. We love. Next show. Yeah, man. What a feeling. How are you feeling? Well, this one dedicated to this beautiful lady. This is my friend. This is my friend. It's another morning without you. It's another day will I get through it without breaking down. I haven't seen the sun since you've been gone. Like my heart lost when you left me and can't be found. What are they? Jesus. Do it. What are them on? Hey, boy. Instead of me over there dance my feet, I'm nervous, brother. I tell you, no sir, come here. Woo! Kiss me back. No sir. Mr. Music. She nice, right? All the love we made, all those tender now. Like I said, for the music. Mr. Music. That's it. Birthday lady. That's what it's like. So I wake up in the morning with my head down in my eyes, and she said, let's have some real food and breakfast table where my kid won't going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out and touch my hand, squeezing and saying, how you feeling now? And I look across and smiling lips that warms my heart to see my morning sun. What is that? Oh, what is that? If that's not loving me, that's all I've got to say. God didn't make a little green apple, it don't rain. Didn't need apples on the sun. Oh yeah. Ain't no thing like modern shoes. There's nothing like modern shoes. I know nursery rhymes. Oh, I didn't make a little green apple, it don't rain. Yeah, my people, are you ready? Yeah. Why am I telling you about it? Bring it back the memories. Remember the memories, Father. Remember that? I want to love, I can feel. We love. What do you mean, man? Big tune, man. Big tune, a big tune, see? Yeah, man. That's the kind of love I think it's real. Don't want to be going back something I heard. Cause baby action speak louder than words. I want to love that it's mine. In the rain and always sunshine, sunshine. I love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of loving that will never grow cold. Ooh, ooh. You know I wanna love. Oh, again. Don't you know I wanna live? Ooh, don't you know I want to love? Well, I want to love that it's mine. In the rain and home, sun comes shine. I love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of loving that will never grow cold. Oh, don't you know I want to love? Yeah, man, it's all good. I love it. I love the vibes. I love the energy. Happy birthday, baby, love. Yes, what I mean, man. You to know? You don't want to know. You don't want to know. Dedicated to this lady, to the full lady. Dedicated to this lady. What would I do without your smile? Throw me in and kick me out. Got my head spinning, I can't feel you down. What's going on in the beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery rhyme. And I'm so busy, don't know what me, but I'll be alright. My head's under gun, but I'm feeling fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. How do you understand? Beautiful lady, beautiful lady. Music again. Words again. We're not two. We're not two. I'm going to party long time. We're not two. Tell me from all them. Oh, lonely no cry. Oh, no fuss that you were. I'm daydreaming. Oh, yes, yes. Right next to me, have his girl on his own. My arms are empty. It seems unfair. That is love everywhere, and there is none for me. How does it feel when the girl that you love say that she loves you? What she said? Oh, some guys have all the love, boy. Some guys have all the pain. Some guys have a little sunshine in the night. My life is only fairy rain. Sitting in the I tell you what, I'm gonna go outside. Where am I going, sir? You remember the one that? Yeah, bring up memories and now we have fun. Don't know much about history. Don't know much about biology. Don't know much about the French and too. Don't know much about science book. But I do know that I love you. And you know that if you love me too. What a wonderful world is. But this whole world start getting me down. People are just too much for me to fail. I want to just let there. My feelings are there's a picture hanging on the wall. Oh, when my heart cries out, no, you were gone. Say you got to be there, feel longing, hanging on the wall. When this whole world start getting me down, people are just too much for me to face. Up on the roof, I climb way up to the top of the stairs, and all my fears drift right into space. Under the roof, peaceful as can be. Yes, yes. And darling, you can share it all with me. I keep telling you, rise my head in the middle of town. I share my special place, all for you. Oh, we love you. Next show, people, are you ready? Yeah. All right, get them now. Oh, get them man now. Let us take from your shoulder. What are you here tonight? Who is this? Baby, let's cruise away from the heat. Wheel up! That lady look like one show where you're showing a woman that she was. They can take your life. Scare me! Scare me! Hallelujah! Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Bye, bye, love. Bye, bye, happiness. You're lonely, I think you come from. Bye, bye, love. Stop it!
Now you talk too bad. Now you talk too bad. You're 16.
Well, the meantime, 40 years on the business. 40 years on the business. Yeah, man, we still have one more. Right? What we sound? What we say, people, are you ready? What do you mean? Baby, let's go away from here. Yeah. Don't be confused, no. No way is a dream. And if you want it, you got it forever. It's not a one night stand. Let the music blow your mind and soul. God just seeking you and find is you're gonna fly away. Let it be my way. I love is when we're cruising together. Put on your red dress, put on your high heels, smell that sweet perfume, sure smell good on you. Slide on your lipstick, I let your hair down. Baby, when you get you, I wanna show love you. Tonight will be a special night, many more to come. I'm so proud to be with you. I just, what do you understand? I don't understand. My, you sure look good tonight. And you're so damn, again, I won't understand. My, you sure look good tonight. And this one was my biggest song right now. This was my biggest song. Remember this? A summer love is beautiful. It's not enough. Yeah, man. Come again, yo. Big tone, big tone. Whoa. The music was sweet. Oh, yeah. Here we go. A summer love is beautiful. It's not enough to satisfy emotion that are cherry fritos. A winter love is cozy, girl. I need so much more. It just intensify. I want to have some and go. Oh, well. 'Cause anytime I close my eyes, I think of you. Ooh, no matter what the season is, I still love you. With all my heart, I wanna be with you wherever you are. Let my tigers, I'll come back to me. Mama, no, me. She a try to I'll try to say one weekend. Yes, I tell you. Mr. Music again. Okay. This song is taken away from my new album. Remember, check out my new album. It's called Mature. And this song is in case you didn't know. See? I can count the time. Almost say what's on my mind. But I didn't. No, I didn't. And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I said, but I didn't. No, I didn't. All the things that I've been feeling. Oh, so he goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you have my heart a long, long Yeah man, I'm singing a song for her. I remember to check out this song on my album, it's called Matures. It's a very good album. You read the Matures, so check it out, you know. The artists need to eat food, okay? We need to buy a new pants, a new shirt and everything. You understand? Yeah man, I feel good with you. So support so. Miss Monique, this is my beautiful friend. I know her for about 40 years. And so she's pretty young, see her, I tell her when she eat and drink. She got to go for one to number one there. I'm going to tell her about it. Alright, sweet and ragwa. Mr. Music!
Give it up, Banton and Malvo. Right now, at this time, this segment called PP Break. So if we don't need to use the bathroom because we have one of them, remember the one here? Bye back. Johnny P in the house. So guess what? We'll take a little band change, use the bathroom, and then we come back for Johnny P. Gamachi. Yeah. Celebrate life. At this time, I'm gonna call on my brother and your brother. This man have been touring the world. This brother of mine have so much hit songs songs of happiness and songs of joy. Songs that let you throw your old clothes and go buy new clothes. Songs that make you fight over old broke and dead left. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome Sunrise, Florida, Johnny P. We say welcome Johnny P. On the right for Johnny P. Yo. People, on the right.
Good night, Florida. I am here tonight to make you all feel good. So all of the people that are drinking up and eating up and feel good, let me hear some of that. I want me, man, down below. Ready with him. So baba baba boy, baba 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 boy. We not tell you no lie, him no star. All of the girls when I fight they will rock. All of the girls when I jump pop. All of the girls when I fight they will rock. All of the girls when I jump up, so you believe in I fight they will rock. Fight they will rock. Take all picking in I fight they will rock. Fight they will rock. Fight they will rock. Take all picking in I what's come the room is to the girl catch on. When we the knife and the next one come on. He come down and then sing it out. We rock around my shut up. How many young girls them stop? I want me check it down the work cause the first girl them a first miss over work and then I fight the work up. Fight the work up. Check all beginning and I fight the work. Then I fight the work up. Fight the work up. Check all beginning and I fight the work up. No more don't buy clothes, no. Stop fight over whole, bro. You're your friend, no fight people, bro. You know we're people, whole, bro. You are muggling in a new brand. Stop, put up your one kind, you know. Let me say you're not fight the world, bro. Fight the world, bro. Say I'll pick it, you're not fight the world. But we say people, are you ready? Welcome dance and show me. You look sexy. You look ready. Something that we tight to us, it looks sexy. We tight to us, come dance and show me. What's the going around with the time to the men to the body? Come on. Something that we tight to us, it looks sexy. We tight to us, it look ready. We tight to us, it looks sexy. Tight clothes, just look ready. One of the old they go to the body sexy. Jump around, girl, and show me. Make them know you have a natural body. I make them know you don't check fast. Make them know say your body empty. Why you? Yo, all the ladies scream. All the girls. Welcome dance and show me. Yeah, man. Bring Something like real tight clothes us look sexy. Real tight clothes us look ready. Real tight clothes us look sexy. Real in the pattern. Nobody is girl, you take them easy. They know
man of sympathy. Who no got the run and go by? Who no buy them a party body? Who no buy them a... Yes, it's somebody out there rolling a reel. Them can't shake it, but it's ready. So I'm gonna be ready and natural body. Shake the body, watch out. Nobody is going to think they're easy. Who them notice man of sympathy? Who no got the wrong and go looking? Somebody call a website figure in body. Look come the doctor, come from poverty. Who can't buy it out? Who can't get it? What am I doing with it? Yes, how some of them are getting it? Them are wear the batty panty. Ah, look how I'm sexy body. Oh, look come dance and show me. They love the ground with the action body. You hear me say? Some girl wear tight clothes just say look sexy, you're sexy. Wear tight clothes just say look ready, lady. Wear tight clothes just say look sexy. Wear tight clothes just say look ready, make her spin around and show your sexy body. Spin around and show your natural body. I bet them who say your body empty. I bet them who say your body ready. And you know what? When you don't think about if you look sexy. You might be for your natural body. So you are mad and I kill them with it. Why now we are somebody? You are some girl that don't have some girl that don't have natural titty. What they do? They go buy the titty. What they do? Girl, fix so titty. No.
All natural.
Give me the signal. My brother in another place. I'm going to call him. Call him?
Yes.
Call him? Call him? Find the punani ready. I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel.
But there you know, Johnny.
How are you there?
But there you know.
A long time me I do this in the place.
What you mean, man?
So I'm going to show them how we do with it, my brother.
Run my favorite tune we have for the reggae first.
Alright, watch out. Him say we run the favorite tune, we not run it. Here we go. Say when your man out and your mother got a look cool. And I hear it and you look cool. And I remember that top shot here. May I give them this? All the look good girls, give them now find the beauty. Watch me. Say when your man out and your mother got a look cool. And I hear it and you look cool. So your pretty face and you look cool. Screen over and you look cool. Smile and really and you look cool. Like baby, you know what? You look good, I keep them, you look good, I'm at them. You look good, I keep them, you look good, I'm at them. So you're not trying to body, you're not attacking them. And your sexy body, you know what I'm at them. And they can't attack you, I'm not attacking them. And you want to look fun, I'm at them. I keep them and I look at mine, you know what I'm saying. They get them quick, I'm at them. Because you want to tell your mother, you look good. And it's a little bit.
You ever be a girl a marathon funny yet? A girl ever call your bedroom bully yet? You ever make a girl sit down and wonder? And a daydream about the anaconda? She ever jump on the liquor like wine now? In a bed call your African rhino? A woman never yet call your mandingo? When you left her, wait by the window. She ever look by you, call your whole head. And fantasize when she's in the bucket. You ever have a girl pick up some people? Cut your toenail, play with your nipple. She ever looking at your eye and say, me love you. I would have never put an next man above you. She ever call you Jesus and Moses. Say you're sweet like chocolate and roses. I would never say your money to cash out. To the point to get her make she act out. You ever... I'm on this. What do you them all smell green. You smell green. You smell green. So now we don't have them all smell green. You smell green. You smell green. Yeah, come on, look sexy. Invite up in dinner, separate theater. Get into the house, comfortable and relax. Hello, guess what? Guess the teenagers are jumping with a wife in the pattern. The road, we have a road down the car. Look, I'm a thing, and they can't touch it. They can't be a talk about what's there. We go down on the Rasta. Oh, they must have rent a train time to retire. Some time for her before my birthday. I'm thinking, I'm the over them, I'm playing the fire. Sequence, we go down on the Rasta. And I chat the Rasta imposter. Real Rasta, them chicken with brown stew. Straight petty chops, coming from through. Pull up again. Pull up again. What sequence? We can't go to sequence. What is that? Big up, what sequence? Wind fire. Go on, Kasa. Yo, sequence and wind fire. More of the people them, Jimmy. More of the people them know so. Make sure they get your argument up on camera. Yes, them man. Yeah, yeah, man. Are the real man them? A real man them. See, when you talk about real people, see? Everybody here tonight, welcome home. Remember, sequence was a song on the run boy and so. Give a round of applause to all the sequence family, wait for your loading, and all the massive. Yo, where you happy? All the people them know say, a long time with about 9 place here. And I want the people them know say sequence and the foundation sound. And from them time there, back in the early 90s until now. And I wanted to say, if it wasn't for them youth here, I couldn't write us now as an artist who sell 2 million records 2 times. See? It's because of them money and the motivation with them money give me back in them days there to make this even possible. So I do 2 events tonight. I'm roll through traffic. I roll through all kind of things to make sure that I'm on there. So because sequence is a individual, is a youth, is a sound man from foundation with my respect. So here my brother, how much love for always. Here my brother. They're my family. They're my family. See my way. Where's the pig? Here's the way. Let me jump in on something. Smash up in here, man. Show me, man. Alright. What's that? Where the mic man going down there? Where the girl down there? Tomorrow, West Palm Beach. Are you ready for this? It is a beautiful sunshine, man. Just in the young girl named Pandy by back. It is a beautiful sunshine. If you don't do what? The young girl named Pandy by back. Watch the girl named Pandy by back. Can't pick it up. Come here. Come on. See him where? Don't jump off on the bike either. Don't jump off on the bike. And the bike will alright. Watch it. It is a beautiful sight time. To see the young girl that pat the bike back. It is a beautiful sight. And if you don't to watch, the young girl that pat the bike. Bike back. Can't pick it pat the bike. Got it, girl. Set firm, set firm, set firm. Watch me, watch me. Set firm. Watch it. Bike back. Watch it, girl. That pat the bike. I'll pick it up on the bike. Put it down there on the bike. How does my wife this? Jesus Christ. Baby, with husband then. Hold on then. Hold on. How does my wife this? Come get her. Thank you, bitch. She just come. Where you say? Where you say? She ready for the bike? Alright. We want a girl who's sturdy. I can't hold on. This is the way you ride the bike. You see the woman never go on bike. Remember when they go on the bike couldn't have a sex. So when we say uncle, you go son. When we say bend your back, you go son. And all that you have to do. Watch it. Uncle, watch it. Uncle, bend They have the real man that can do it. Come on. Come on, Miss Shibu. Me nah go kill you. Me nah do that. Me just want you to do this to me. And show the people them how you do it. Come to me. Bend your back. Set yourself like a dip on my back. Come kill me, go. What's up? Honey girl, them pan them bike back. When them a ride, them a wine and track. If you know the sunny girl, them sexy girl. And them look good, them don't and pan them and bike. Bike back, watch the girl, them pan them bike. Bike back, can't pick in the pan them bike. Bike back, can't pick in the pan them bike. All the ignorant things again. Suzuki now again. Yeah, man, I think again. Me never saw the party girl, never come and saw the rhythm. How you go? Soft reverse. Forward you go. Forward you go, Wayne Sean.
Girl picking it. Who you ready? Who you don't see that you are Johnny P? Remember this? Stick by me, and I stick by you. Take it over. Stick by me, and I stick by you. Yeah. Take it over, selector. Stick by me, and I stick by you. What do you remember? If you stick to your man, stick to your man, stick to your man, oh man, stick to your man, stick to your man. Stick to your man, stick to your man, don't want to stick to you. Can you make it look good for you? Can you make it look good for you, woman? I'm going to credit like a gas station. I'm going to rain money in that hand. I can't say that I'm not playing a good man. There is something that she do, and that's the damn good boy. Next time. Empress, sing it. Give me this. You'll be my girl. Say you love me, baby. Everything will be alright. Say you need me, darling. Everything will be so high. You better just say you want me. She was 16 and I was 13. She never gave me the chance. God showed me young. So I thought, so never tell her. If you remember this, yeah. She was only 16, only 16. Hey, whoa, I love her so well. She's she was only 16. Yeah. Think about it.
They say she young and she green, young and she green, young and she green. She got a sweet 16. Young and she green, young and she green, young and she green. She got me sweet 16. Catch a drama when he was 13. I picked up this girl at the age of 16. Tell me want to be your king, and she told me queen. They don't tell me what Johnny can't whoop me. Let me see who that should have been me whooping. She want to. She want to. They come into the water. Yo. Yo. Hold on there. Big up Banton. Listen. Big up Banton. The DJ we heard before me. I rate him. And I love him vibes. But I hear him say something tonight. If some man now work with Cialis, let's have him leave. Come in one and hear this. Me now work with no Cialis. Me now take no stone. Me now use no shots to make woman bad. I tell Jackie she wants in the bed. What me say? Me say the girl they don't want you to know them. I tell Jackie they want the Jackie with coffee and then the one they want the I tell Jackie they want the Jackie with coffee. Me say one furl and the Jackie put on the Jackie, two furl and the Jackie put on the Jackie, three furl and the Jackie put on the Jackie, four furl and the Jackie. Me the Jackie with the right with no passion. When you got ready, the right eye has it round the bed, up the street. No Jackie, me right. Me the right coat, no skin to your feeling. What I just feel it, I'm thinking about it. They can't know, let me give them this. Me know one boy with them call Alfred. Or couple of girls with them call Mildred. You did that dance like whining cigarette. When she a wine, so wicked to rat. You want to she wine, I'ma show the fish it up. Spread out her head, and pull her head. Cock out her body, wine and tea. If I get the work, we go carry in a bed. 1 hour gone, she in the bed. 2 hour gone, she in the bed. 3 hour gone, she in the bed. I wait for Alfred. Alfred can't come back. You come in and you do run a corner. See you, man? Run a corner. Aspire and sub 100. He come back. He come to work in a bed. So she make a phone call and call me. He said, I told you shoes in the bed. I'm going to the bed. Yes, so when I reach, I'm reaching on the bed. And then the saw goes on. He got in there. Stop being drunk. Shut up. When you stop it and stop it at the bed, you reach and you start working at the bed. So guess who come back to the one Alfred? He feel for a leg. Hear no? You have a man in the bed. She turn on same time, hold up her head and say you still want the pum pum where you suck there. Me a say, I don't look in the mirror for me. Long time. Yes. Think about it again. You know think about that. What are they? Long time you have a nice side. You see me? Long time. Me not get a good come. You want a girl with the book of it. You hold me tight. You look at me when it hold me tight. I mean I work all night. You see that son? Look a bit around, look a bit forward and so on. I'll suck it in like one.
What you say for Johnny P? Come on, give it up. Give it up for Johnny P. Alright. You be telling us about some brata for you now. I think we're done yet. Club now close till 4 o'clock, you know. So anyway, drop some show.
You have one more artist left. Yeah, man, you have one more artist left. But he now comes until tomorrow.
Palm Beach for it tomorrow.
Up at Palm Beach, Madam Me.
Read them up.
Broken-hearted sound boy, darting in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.